Are you looking for the best handheld vacuum in 2025? Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or quick cleanups, we've tested the top models to help you find the perfect one. Stick around to see which vacuum really sucks, in a good way. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser 2390. It stands out as an excellent cordless handheld vacuum, especially for pet owners. In lab tests, it impressed by removing 94% of test dirt, showcasing powerful suction in a compact form. But it didn't stop there. When tested in a real-world setting on a cat hair-covered couch cushion, it lived up to its name by cleaning the upholstery in a single pass. Beyond raw performance, the 2390 offers a battery life of 14 to 19 minutes, enough to tackle quick cleanups around the home or car. Its motorized brush tool and specialized pet attachments help lift embedded fur with ease. If you're battling pet hair regularly and want something that's both effective and easy to use, this vacuum is a top-tier choice. Number 2. Black Decker CHV1410L. This is a compact, budget-friendly handheld vacuum that excels in convenience and kitchen cleanup. Designed with daily messes in mind, it stands upright on its charging base and includes a built-in crevice tool and dusting brush, keeping its footprint minimal. Its always-ready design means it's ideal for quick spills and crumbs. While its 10-minute battery life is relatively short, the CHV1410L makes up for it with solid cleaning power, picking up 80% of the test dirt in lab conditions. It's easy to store, quick to grab, and simple to use. For anyone looking for a practical hand vacuum that delivers moderate performance with maximum ease of use, the CHV1410L is a top value pick that keeps everyday messes in check. Number 3. Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro plus CH951. This is a feature-packed handheld vacuum that delivers solid performance with a few caveats. True to Shark's reputation, it includes a powered brush head, dusting tool, and crevice tool, all of which feel well made, though the crevice tool could be longer for deeper cleaning. In lab tests, the CH951 picked up 87% of test dirt, a strong showing for a cordless model. When tested on a cat hair-covered couch cushion, it performed well, though it couldn't quite match the effectiveness of the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. Still, it's more than capable for quick pet cleanups and general messes. Overall, the CH951 is a smart buy if you can find it on sale, offering a nice balance of tools, suction, and versatility in a compact package. Number 4. Black Decker Dustbuster. Weighing in at just 2 pounds, the Black Decker CHV1410L is one of the lightest handheld vacuums available, making it incredibly easy to carry and use. However, that lightweight design comes at the cost of performance. In our tests, it managed to pick up just 79% of the test dirt, placing it near the bottom of the pack in terms of cleaning power. That said, its compact design and upright charging base make it convenient to store on a kitchen counter, always ready for action. It's best suited for tackling light messes like crumbs and small debris, rather than more demanding tasks like pet hair or embedded dirt. Overall, it's a decent pick for those needing a basic ultralight vacuum for quick cleanups, not for deep cleaning.